Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix time zone which is automatically grayed out in your Windows or computer. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to do is at the bottom search bar, type on settings. Okay, so the moment you've typed it, wait for the best match will appear. Here it has this. Double tap to open. So once you have successfully opened your settings, go for the left side of it. It has this list of options. Now here you need to look for privacy and security, which I can see here next to accessibility. Tap it to continue. Okay, so under the privacy and security tab, you need to scroll down and here you can find app permissions. Now go with location. Click this forward arrow to continue and aligning the location services, location will be available to Windows and anyone using this device when this is on. Turn this on, and the moment you've turned that on, this lets app access your location will be automatically turned on as well. So in that manner, we have just successfully fixed our problem. And when we checked our time and date, let's go with time and language. And here go with date and time. Now the set time zone automatically is not grayed out and you can also use this. You can enable this or you can disable this here in your Windows or computer. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.